Are you feeling upset or depressed about the situation in Palestine? People are finding it difficult to come to terms with the sheer cruelty that some humans are capable of, with the situation that's happening, how the governments of our world are allowing it, how the seemingly modern West are apparently fine with genocide, how the Muslim leaders are not doing their part, and there's so many reasons why it's natural to be upset about what's happening in the world today. And so I thought I'd share something that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said as a reminder, and as something of a comfort for those of you who might be feeling the same way, down and depressed and upset. Just remember that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that if something happens to you, don't say, if only this had happened, if only I'd done something else. Instead say, Allah decrees what he wills. Because the phrase, if only, opens your mind to the work of Satan. In other words, while it's natural to feel upset about the situation in Palestine, you need to maintain a positive mindset. You need to place your trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and remember that everything happens by the will of Allah, even if we don't understand why. I do think that what's happening today is one of the horrors of our time. It's despicable, it's a disgrace. In a way it's a test. Certainly the people of Palestine are being tested, but so are the people around the world in their reactions and the aid that they're offering and the feelings that we have in our heart. Are we going along with the media narrative? Are we upset and protesting about it? Are we speaking out about it? Are we spreading awareness? Are we giving in charity? And furthermore, are we allowing the situation to decrease our level of Iman? Are we questioning Allah? Are we questioning God? Or are we placing our trust in Allah? I think if you read quotes and stories about the people of Palestine, about their mindset, I think you realize that they're probably the most spiritually enlightened Muslims on the planet right now. When you're deprived of food, of water, of clothing, of basic human rights, of freedom, what else do you have but to return to Allah? Place your faith in Him, to pray that you return to your Creator after death. My heart and your heart and the hearts of many Muslims around the world goes out to the people of Palestine in their struggle. But I would urge you not to lose yourself and not to lose your Iman in the process. And as for the people of Palestine, they are returning to their Creator, and may Allah reward them for their struggle. Ameen.